Hi, I'm Brent with ADV Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious coffee when you're out in the backcountry. We're going to use the Sea-to-Summit X-Brew. It's this awesome collapsible little drip coffee creator. Okay, super compact, pops up. Got my MSR Dragonfly stove. We're going to boil some water, total necessity. I got some delicious fine grind Oso Negro coffee from Nelson, British Columbia, and we're going to use that all to make some coffee. So first step, we're going to boil some water, and then we're going to put together our drip coffee. Hold tight. Alright, step one was boil some water. Did that. Excellent. Next thing we're going to do, going to take about 3 heaping teaspoons of coffee. I like this coffee. It seems to work best with this brew setup if it's kind of finely ground. Not quite espresso fine, but enough to kind of slow down the flow of the water. You know what? And go 4 just for good measure. Because I tell you the truth, I like my coffee like mud. So I really like carrying also my coffee in one of these little Nalgene's. Keeps it nice and dry and contained. It's not a paper bag or foil bag that's going to open. You can even put a little spoon in there too if you like. So once that's good to go, I preheated my cup. Okay, once that's good to go, I got my little mug. The X-Brew system has just a little place at the bottom where the coffee drips out of. Sits right on top of your cup like that. All I'm gonna do is fill it up with some coffee, or fill up with some hot water, make some coffee. Next step is take your hot water, let it cool down to about 80 degrees, 85 degrees, something like that. You just don't want it boiling. We're camping. Pour it in. So it's about 3/4 full. I like to take the handle, stir it around, let the coffee bloom, like so. Then you just let it drip down. Okay, after about 4 minutes of dripping, the coffee should be good to go, and you'll have a nice cup of drip coffee. So it's that easy. If you want to learn more about cooking in the backcountry, going on moto adventures, stuff like that, please subscribe to this channel. Love any comments, any feedback on how you like to make coffee in the backcountry. Love to hear it. We're going to test out a few other systems in the future, so stay tuned, and yeah. Come join me for a cup of coffee on the trail. Cheers. All right, cut the lights. That's a wrap, everybody. Come on, it's over. Let's pack it up.